welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification, and mainly don't forget to leave your skin problem under the comment section down below. And if you love my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. It counts. So let's get into the purpose of this video.
Our first ingredient, we are going to be using rice flour. Rice flour is rich in vitamin B, which helps in production of the new cells. It's going to be helping us in removing the dead skin cells. Since it has anti-inflammatory agents in it, it will help us to control acne breakouts. It also treats dark circles. So this face scrub, it's good to use every day, because if you want to see enhanced results. Ingredient, are going to be using lemon. Lemon will help us heal the acne and remove blackheads. It will help us to detoxify our skin, leaving it with a natural radiant look. It will help us also to reduce inflammation. Ingredient, are going to be using milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which has alpha hydroxy acid ingredients in it. This lactic acid will help us in terms of anti-aging. Ingredient, are going to be using turmeric. Turmeric will help us reduce the redness, since it has antibacterial properties in it, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. It will help us soothe the irritation too. Get 2 teaspoons of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can use chickpea flour. Then add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then add in 2 teaspoons of milk. Then you start mixing the ingredients very well. But now here, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be adding in more of our ingredients, because we want something very thick, because it's a scrub, so it's not supposed to be too light. So we'll be adding in our ingredients as we add in, until we get that thick paste, which is in the form of a scrub. Yeah, so majorly that's what we need right now. So keep on adding as we mix, adding as we mix, until we get that thick paste. But make sure as you're adding in your ingredients, you don't forego other ingredients. So try to balance. Yeah, so your scrub must be thick like this one. Now I think our scrub is ready for use. And if you have remains, you can always keep them in a refrigerator and you use it the next day.
So this facial scrub is going to help us remove all the facial hairs, pimples, hyperpigmentation, because of the ingredients that we've used. So make sure, the reason why you see even it was thick, yeah, so scrubs are always supposed to be thick. Yeah, if you really want to remove that facial hair, and the effective results, you will need to use this every single day. And no, someone will tell you that it's not going to use turmeric every single day, and the reason is they don't have any reason, because they'll tell you it's going to make your skin dry, it's going to make bah. Remember, these are natural ingredients, okay? So I don't want you to be, I don't know, for the lack of a better word to use, please, if you want fast results, because these are natural remedies, you know, so you just get your facial scrub, then you apply it around the areas that you feel like you really want to remove that your facial hair. Then you can apply it around. Now some of us, we also have facial hairs around our cheeks, the whole face, you may find everything. So this is the perfect facial scrub that you can use. So you just apply it onto your face. And scrub gently in a circular motion. If you don't have milk, you can always use yogurt. And if you don't have rice flour, you can always use gram flour or curd. So make sure that you make sure that you scrub your face. I don't know why, even in the last video that I published last time, I was saying that subscribe. I don't know, you guys subscribe to my channel please, because I'm going to go mad now. For all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Kindly watch my previous videos. They're all quite exciting, very informative. I love them. So I think we are done now. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you do this at home. I love you all. Until next time in my next video, bye bye.